Overall, daily COVID cases continue to rise rapidly in the state. Today, the state reported nearly 5,000 new cases, with more than 1 in 10 tests over the last 2 weeks finding an infection. That is the highest positivity rate since late January. Meantime, hospitalizations are also skyrocketing. There are more than 2,300 COVID patients, up by 125 from yesterday. It's the highest count since February 9th. And the number of people being admitted at Novant Health has gone up 300 to 400% since June. As WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner explains, Novant Health says that admission is really skyrocketing.
It's hot and humid outside of Novant Health, but you wouldn't know it if you walked into the ICU.
We're operating right now in the summer at a rate that we would typically see in a busy winter.
COVID hospitalizations are rising statewide. This week, we saw the largest single-day jump in ICU admissions since the beginning of the pandemic.
It does give me some concern. I think what's most troubling about the whole thing is that we feel like this is largely preventable.
Dr. Sid Fletcher with Novant Health says over 90% of the patients admitted are unvaccinated. And since vaccination rates are highest among people 65 and older, with 87% of the state's population in that age group fully vaccinated, they're seeing more younger people needing intensive care.
Early in the pandemic, when we had our prior peak, we were at an average age of around 61. Our average age current state is around 44.
One silver lining, he says younger people are more resilient and fewer are dying. Hospitals are not quite at the level they were back in January, but they're preparing for the possibility to surge. Frontline workers are tired and many are feeling deja vu.
It really is the frustration of knowing, for many of our team, we feel like it's preventable. And we're really in this race against the variants, and it's really imperative that we curb the community spread today.